making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah. Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is, yes, you got it. Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah. Today is Things We're Making Thursday, and the pattern that was chosen for this month is a free yarn inspirations pattern, and it is called Three Little Pumpkins. There they are right there. Now, for this Thursday, I made 3 pumpkins, but I didn't put faces on them. I wanted these to be for decoration in my home, and just, I don't know, the faces, I didn't care for those. So, but I think for next week, I'm going to try and make them just like the pattern and put faces on them. And, excuse me, and I think they're going to go to each of my grandsons to put in their room for a decoration for Halloween. So, the first one I made, I followed exactly what the pattern said. So here's my first one. They look more round and they don't look as tall as the pattern, but I like how he turned out. I think he's cute. Then for the second one, I modified the pattern a little bit, and I decided to make them a medium and a small. So let me see, I wrote down what I did with each one. For the medium one, I used gray yarn and a brown for the stem. And instead of a chain of 36, I did a chain of 30. And instead of 58 rows, I did just 34 rows. So here's my medium pumpkin. They're so cute. I just love how they turned out. There's my medium pumpkin. Then I made a smaller one. And for the small one, I just chained 18 instead of chaining 36. And I did 29 rounds instead of the 58 for the large. And here's my small pumpkin. I love how these turned out. I love them without the faces because I can use them all through the fall for decoration in my home. And so, yeah, so for next Thursday, I'm going to put faces. I'm going to make some with faces. Let's see, we have how many Thursdays left? 2 more? Let me look at my calendar real quick. I might, excuse me, I did not sleep well last night, and I'm still tired. It's about 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning when I'm recording this. So let's see. Yeah, we have 2 more Thursdays. So I may end up only making 2 more pumpkins, but we'll see how it goes. Double up on a pumpkin for next Thursday and make 1 more for last Thursday. So yeah, I love my pumpkins. I think they turned out super cute, and I can't wait to make more of these. So that's my Things We're Making Thursday project. I wanted to, also, we have our corny Halloween joke of the day. This is day 12, guys. And here we go with today's joke. Why do black cats ride with witches on broomsticks? Why do black cats ride with witches on broomsticks? Because it's quicker than walking. There's the picture. Hello, it's quicker than walking. Corny joke of the day brought to you by Critters Crochet. Hey, that rhymes. That's pretty good. I wasn't planning that. That just happened. Anywho, so I am so sorry for the yawning. I am so sorry. I got up this morning and got around and came up here to get this video done and didn't realize I was going to yawn so much. I'm so sorry. So, I wanted to also remind you that tonight, well, first of all, after I get off of this and get this uploaded, my sister's coming to pick me up, and we are going to Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited. And possibly Joanne's and possibly Ollie's. But I will be back for the live tonight, and I will be showing you the yarn that I got while I was at Hobby Lobby and all the things that I bought while we were in Clarksville. So I'm really excited about that. Um, and tonight is the live at 8 p.m. Central. So 8 p.m. Central. So come join the live. I'm excited to show you everything I got at Hobby Lobby. We're just, my sister and I are going to have, we always have a great time when we're together. And so I'm really excited about today. So come back tonight at 8. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you're going to be able to join in on the live. And what do you think about the pumpkins? So I got to get around here and get ready because she's going to be here soon. And I will talk to you guys later. We're going to stop at a little donut shop on the way in and have a little donut and coffee. And so I will see you guys tonight for the live number 2. So love you guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you tonight. Bye.